Solid Mind here. Today is December 31st, New Year's Eve, and I have found out that for the first time ever, I am the top search result on Google for Fire Stick 4K 2025. Not YouTube, on Google. Let me show you. So if I type in here Fire Stick 4K 2025, press enter, reject all, the first result is Solid Mind, right? So I am the first result, not the shop for you to buy Amazon Fire Stick, not Amazon, me. I am the first result. And if you go down a little bit, you will see that my second video is also showing there as well. So try it out. Go onto Google, type in Fire Stick 4K 2025, and I will show up. The reason why I'm saying like this is surprising for me is my analytics. So let me open the video up real quick so you guys can see what I mean. This is YouTube. Let me stop that there. On YouTube, I have received only 5,000 impressions, right? But my video has received 24,000 views. So which means that, and impressions are not views. Impressions are where people have seen your video being advertised. Normally, my click-through rate is between 5% to 10%. So let's just say, you know what? Why am I talking? Let me just open up my YouTube and tell you. So my click-through rate on this video is 4%. It's 4.1%, right? So let me tell you what that means. Because I've only received 5,000 impressions and I've received 4.1% of click-through rate, it means that this video has only received 205 views from YouTube only. That's in the YouTube application. So that's people going on YouTube and YouTube is saying, hey, do you want to check out this video? So see how there's videos here, right? These would all count as me looking at them as one impression because it means I can click on them, but I haven't. So from you guys on YouTube seeing these videos, 205 of you clicked on my video. But the remaining 24,000 came from Google. Like, guys, Google. And in the last 2 days, this video went from 9,000 views to 24,000 views. And I know that's not a lot. I know you can get millions on TikTok. I know you can get quite a lot anywhere else. But on YouTube to get views, it's a lot of work. And this year has been a great year. And ending this year on a high note like this, thank you guys. Without you subscribing, I would never have been motivated enough to keep posting. And I don't know much about SEO, which is search engine optimization. But looking at this, because I made the title similar to what you would search on Google, I'm number one. How am I above all these companies? Okay, there's other videos as well, but still, guys, yes, you can buy on top, but anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I just thought of letting you guys know that this is the first video on this channel, thanks to you, where I am the top search result on Google for Fire Stick 4K 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.